The next one is our take on a pina colada mocktail. So sometimes, especially when our appetite is low or we feel we just need a little something extra to nourish us, a nutritiously dense smoothie or shake, like a milkshake, is the way to drink our calories. So here we'll be using some full-fat coconut milk, which, although coconut in its whole form is higher in fiber, coconut in its milk, in its cream form, has that fiber removed. And then we also can use, a Greek yogurt, a high full-fat Greek yogurt, or a skyr yogurt, or even Mediterranean yogurt to maximize on those calories and that protein.
Awesome. Yeah, this one is perfect for especially those warmer days. I feel like, it's got that tropical feel to it, and you can pretend you're sipping it, on a nice warm beach somewhere. And we're using some of my favorite sort of pairings. So we have some coconut milk, like Karmen mentioned. This is a full fat one. We're going to add about a 1/4 cup to this. If you like coconut, you want it a little bit richer, you can definitely bump that up a bit. That's nice and thick. All right, and then we're going to add some frozen banana. Now, you can definitely use just a regular banana. If it's frozen, though, it's going to give you that more sort of slushy, kind of icy, kind of milkshake feel to it. So definitely a little more desserty and decadent. So I love the addition of that frozen banana in there. 1 banana worth. And then we're going to use some pineapple juice. Karmen, this wouldn't have obviously the fiber in it that you would get from the fruit, right?
Right, exactly. When we bring in the pineapple flavor without the fiber, when the juice is, particularly when it's strained. So make sure when you're picking a juice, those are the ones without any pulp included.
Right. And then for some additional protein, like Karmen mentioned, we're going to use a high protein yogurt. This is a plain yogurt. This is the Icelandic, the skyr yogurt, so about 1/2 cup. That. This also is going to help with the texture, make it really nice and creamy. And then a little trick just to help boost the flavor, we're going to add a little bit of lime juice. So it's going to add this really nice sort of lime, obviously flavor that's going to pair well with the pineapple and the coconut, but that acidity from the lime is actually going to help to boost the flavors of your other ingredients, especially if you're adding like a frozen item like the banana. Anytime it's cold, it will dull your taste buds a bit. So that acidity is going to help to boost everything. All right, lid on, and we will blend. I will mute.
Thank you. The beauty of smoothie recipes is that they're actually quite easily customizable. So you can substitute different ingredients based on your taste preferences, and particularly to the low fiber diet. So here we have the pineapple, but if pineapple feels, the juice of the pineapple feels too acidic, feel free to swap it for something more tolerated, say mango. And then in terms of other fruits that are lower fiber, feel free to incorporate pieces of mango or canned peaches and mandarin, which already have the fibrous skins removed, to flavor the drink differently, however you would like it. You can also consider blending in some unflavored protein powder, like a whey protein, or even a scoop of powdered milk to boost that protein even further.
Awesome. All right, so blended all the way through. Really nice and creamy. If it's a little on the thin side, you can add either some more frozen banana or even just some ice. Blend that through, and that will help to thicken it up. This looks like a really nice.
Yeah, we talked a little bit earlier about soy milk and soy being something that can be incorporated. And if you find that, say, coconut or dairy doesn't work with you, another way we can sub for this recipe is a fortified soy beverage, soy milk beverage. Say if you have like a coconut allergy or a dairy allergy. But otherwise, even substituting the coconut milk for a regular milk is an option too.
Love it. Awesome. Garnish as you will to make it extra tropical. We have a little mint, a little lime wedge, and then enjoy. This is going to be super delicious, super refreshing. And if you made a little extra, just freeze the extra into little ice cubes. And then next time you want to, make it again, you just throw those ice cubes in a little bit of water and blend it all up, and you have your smoothie again. So, cheers. And that's the last recipe. So thank you so much for joining us, everyone. Thank you, Karmen, for today and for jumping in, for all your amazing knowledge. And thank you again for the entire team at the Gynecological and Oncology Clinic. Gynecological Oncology Clinic, at Princess Margaret. Thank you again. And again, for all these recipes, all of the resources that we talked about today, we'll be sure to include them in the description notes for the videos. All the recipes will be posted tomorrow. But for more recipes, and tips and videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be back for another class in June on the third Thursday, which I'm looking up quickly. Calendar not available. All right, third Thursday.
Looks like June 15th.
You got it. Yes, Karmen quicker at that. Thank you so much. Yeah, June 13th for our next class, and we will see you then. Thanks again, Karmen.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thanks.